NSN and Juniper go back 9 years to the old Unisphere Siemens days, if you will. We started a partnership back then. They resell almost everything that Juniper makes, which makes them a great partner. We're, I think, each other's largest partners.
Yes, we are.
And growing exponentially every year. We established a joint venture around carrier Ethernet solutions. We launched that in the actual joint venture itself in 2009.
At this event?
At this event, that's exactly right.
Yes. Great.
And the products became available in July of 2010, so we're 6 months into it.
It's a great combination of strengths. Juniper is so strong in IP and transport, and we're so strong in radio and services, and it's a unique combination. We have a relationship with all of the major mobile carriers in the world. And in addition to that, we have a big managed services business. So we manage, I think, something like 490 million subscribers on behalf of our customers, which makes us actually the third largest network operator in the world ourselves in many respects.
I think the time's coming when I think the mobile operators themselves are realizing, and the carriers themselves are realizing, that's a huge threat. So how do we secure the endpoint? And with Juniper, because we have one operating system across routers, our switches, and our security appliances, we secure everything from on the box itself to across the network to the endpoint. So whether it's the PC, the tablet, the mobile phone, we have Junos on all three of those platforms. And so we're talking a lot today about Junos Pulse, the security suite that we have, mobility security suite that we have on the endpoint, and how that can help with anti-spam, antivirus, even parental control, remote wipe and lock capabilities on Junos.
Good.
Yeah, these things in our pockets are computers with real operating systems, and people are loading down applications, and that's creating an opportunity for all sorts of havoc to happen. And we've spent a lot of time looking at the efficiency of communications to these devices, and working with the makers of the devices and the makers of the operating systems and the makers of the key applications to help them be more efficient in the use of the network. In a well-architected network, a Yahoo Instant Message on one type of network may use 79% more signaling than the same message, 79% less network than the same on another. Well, that's draining the battery life of the phone, and that's putting 79% more traffic on the network. If you can imagine, I think almost all phones today come with a weather widget. It's the cool thing. So wherever I arrive, I can find out what the weather is instead of looking outside. And that thing is updating itself every 5, 10, 20 seconds. Did he move somewhere? Did the weather change? Every time it does that, it's putting a load on the network. And it doesn't need to. And it can be written differently.